tape is reserved for personnel above clearance level 4. An unauthorized viewing or distribution of this tape carry hefty consequences. This experiment was done on subject has since been contained, and any events that occurred afterwards have been archived and wiped from the general public's knowledge. Subject being tested has abnormal properties. Although has the biological features as an ordinary person, subject suffers from anger issues, and usually calms down once their whole body's hue becomes more saturated. Tests show the saturation are leached from nearby structures that are vibrant in color, excluding black, white and their chromatic counterparts. Subject given 2 options and has to choose Y buttons in a short amount of time. The buttons have the color's name it represents but has the opposing button's color, disorienting the subject.
Yellow, red. No, what the?
Subject began showing signs of distress and rage, emitting an extremely distorted yell and breaching its testing unit. Recovery units posing as state and / or local government officials began to track down the subject to minimize the spread of Leech. See article MLCA 12. The following imager shows the severity of the situation. Recovery units were able to capture said subject and wipe out the memories of the county, keeping the subject hidden from the public.
The following statement is for the North County of Washington. The evacuation immediate warning is now in effect from this evening to early Saturday morning. Major downtown sections have now begun to lose color as reported by public service workers. The color loss is expected to continue onwards and does not seem to have a definitive stopping point. Currently, there is no harmful when you have turned monochromatic, but it is not certain if it will continue this way. Follow safety recommendations and evacuation orders from your local public safety officials.
That I always will be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give.